Nursery. So we've just drawn our story map for Dear Zoo. So the green part of your task is to label it with the initial sounds. So we had our elephant. What's the first sound that you can hear in the word elephant? Elephant. So out, over and under. Elephant. Then we got a giraffe. What's that first sound for giraffe? Giraffe. So it's a bit of a tricky one, giraffe, because it sounds like a J, but it's an actual G. It just sounds like a J. Then we got a lion, which starts with our sound oo. And then we've got a camel. A snake. Monkey. What's that sound? Monkey. And then a frog. Frog. And finally a dog. D. Okay, and that's labelling our story map. So I hope you enjoyed doing your story map, and if you do the green task, labelling it with the initial sounds. Bye bye, Nursery.